Hey everyone! Welcome back to JoggAI Academy. Today, we're diving into a super handy tool, AI Writer. When you're creating your avatar video, you'll find the AI Writer feature right there. It helps you automatically generate a talking script for your video. Just type in a topic, like AI video marketing tips or how to build a personal brand, and AI Writer will instantly create a natural, ready-to-use talking script for your avatar video. Need multiple languages? No problem! AI Writer supports one-click translation. Plus, it can help you improve writing, make it longer, or make it shorter, all in one place. Once it's generated, you can freely edit or trim the text, and then simply hit Apply to Video. Your script will be added directly to your avatar video.
Build a personal brand to shape how people see you and attract the right opportunities.
With AI Writer, writing scripts is no longer a struggle. Create powerful talking content for your AI videos in just seconds.